Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Rauf Ahmad Farooqi. Today in this video I am going to talk about parts of speech. The other name of the part of speech is classes of words or the types of words. If we talk about the English language, then we have 9 parts of speech. The first one is noun. Noun is defined as a word which is used to refer to a person, place or thing. For example, Ali, boy, kalsa, table. Here Ali and boy, these two words are used to refer person, and kalsa, it is used to refer to a place which is the name of a village, and table, this word is used to refer to a thing. That is why this word is called noun. The second part of speech is pronoun. Pronoun is defined as a word which replaces a noun or which is used instead of a noun. For example, he, she, it. These three words are used instead of a noun. That is why these are called pronoun. He and she are personal pronoun, and it is impersonal. Why? Because it is used for those things which are non-living or non-human. That is why it is called impersonal pronoun. The first part of speech is an adjective. Adjective is defined as a word which qualifies a noun. In other words, a word which gives any type of information about a noun is called an adjective. For example, good, bad, to, all. Good boy, bad boy, two boys, all boys. Two and all show the number of boys, and good and bad show the quality of boys. The fourth part of speech is verb. Verb is a word which is defined as a word which shows an action, state of being, and experience. Action, verb are verbs which shows activities in which the body of someone involves. And is, this is also verb which is used to show the state of being. For example, there is a sentence, he is dead. Here he is a person, he refers to a person, is a verb, dead is a state, and which is showed through verb is. Watch is also a verb which shows experience. For example, I say he is watching TV. Here, in this process of watching, he is using his eyes and mind. It means he is experiencing something. Here, the body of someone does not involve in the process of watching. That is why this word does not show the activity or the action. It shows the experience of someone. It means there are three functions of verb. The fifth part of speech is adverb. Adverb also plays three functions. First, it qualifies a verb. Second, it qualifies an adjective. And third function of adverb is it also qualifies in uh, another adverb. For example, I say he plays well. Here in this example, plays is an activity and a verb, and well show something about plays or activity. That is why here in this example the word well is an adverb. If I say he plays very well, we have understood that here in this example the word well is an adverb, and very qualifies an adverb well. That is why very will also be called an adverb. Why? Because it qualifies in an other adverb. Whenever a word qualifies in an adjective, then the word will be called an adverb. For example, I say he is very good boy. Good is an adjective. Very here in this example tells the degree of good, qualifies good. That is why in this sense or in this example the word very will be called an adverb. The sixth part of speech is conjunction. Conjunction is defined as a word which joins two words or two sentences with each other. For example, I say Ali and Akram. Here in this example there are two words, Ali, Akram, and these two words are joined with and. That is why and will be called a conjunction. It also joins two sentences. For example, I say Ali plays cricket, Ali plays well. These are two sentences. These two sentences are joined by using conjunction as Ali plays cricket and plays well. Here and joins two sentences, that is why and will be called conjunction. Same is the case with but and if these two words joins two sentences. These are the example of conjunction. The seventh part of speech is interjection. Interjection is defined as a word which shows the emotion or sudden feeling of a speaker. For example, someone says, "Hurrah, we won the match." When the someone is excited, he pronounces a word which shows his emotions. These type of words are called interjection. Hurrah, alas. Whenever someone is in a sadness, he will say alas. Or someone lost something, then he will pronounce or produce alas. So it means alas and hurrah, these two words show the emotion of someone or the sudden feeling of someone. That is why these two words are called interjection. The eighth part of speech is preposition. Preposition is a word which describes the relationship of two nouns in a sentence. It also describes the relationship of an adjective and of a noun in a sentence and a verb and a noun in a sentence. For example, if I say that the cow is in the ground, here in this sentence there are two nouns, cow and ground, and the relationship of these two nouns is described by using in. Here we have learned that in describes the relationship of two nouns in the sentence. These type of words are called preposition. Prepositions are also used to show direction, location, and time. For example, I say he is in the room. So here in this example, in is used to show location. And these type of words are called preposition. And inshallah, in next video, I will discuss these part of speech one by one in detail. Here uh, in this video, these terms or these part of speech will also be defined only. The ninth part of speech is article. Article in English there are two article. The first one is definite article and the second one is indefinite. The definite article is the. The is used to specify the thing. That is why the is called definite article. A and an, these are used to generalize the thing, and this is the reason because of which these two articles a and an are called indefinite article. These are the part of speech in English language, and inshallah in coming videos I will discuss these parts of speech one by one with their examples and with their types and with their examples, inshallah.